First, though, while a lot of us felt the wind this weekend, imagine it in a place that experiences some of the worst weather in the world. Scientists at the Washinton Observatory shared this video showing the power of 100-mile-an-hour winds. Check that out. An expedition to check up on instruments at the top of the mountain turned into a chance to slide across the deck. They're just being pushed by wind. This was on Friday, and they found that standing up caught too much wind. They had to crawl to get back inside. That would be the part that makes me nervous.
Right.
It's like,
Getting
can I get back?
Yeah, it's quite cold up there. I will tell you, having spent a week up there, there's not a whole lot else to do. So you gotta
create your entertainment.
Yes, very safe surroundings. They have TV, but otherwise not a lot to do.
Is there a barrier on that deck?
Yes.
Like, okay, it wouldn't have been
What happens
blown
to the
off.
edge, yeah.
Right.
In fact, they let me go. So it was summer when I went, and there was a thunderstorm going through. In the thunderstorm, you're in the middle of it, right, as opposed to being below it. So they let me go out, but there's this steel cage. The point of it is to make sure the door never gets completely snowed in. So
to protect that
yeah, otherwise you
area.
can't get out. So they let me stand in there, and we got an 89-mile-per-hour wind gust, and that was like the highlight of my nerd life at that point.
It must
Maybe
be like
still.
the cheeks flapping, like on a...
No, I was young. That happened now.
No, okay,
now
now they would.
Yeah,
Right.
the forehead solid, the rest moving around.